Hello, I'm Sila from Indonesia. When this video was made, I'm sure there were 579 people infected with the coronavirus. 49 died, 30 recovered. Today, my country and the world are panicking. Please, whoever is watching this video, don't be panicked. Panicking does not make the virus disappear. Let's make DIY hand cleaning tool by World Health Organization. The material are
alcohol 70% or above, and then aloe vera and also essential oil. You mix it, 3 of them, and then make sure already sterile, and then you put on the bottle. You can use as hand sanitizer that you can use everywhere and every time.
hand cake book, good book together. Over it comes